ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 762। उपासना संयुक्त कर्म कैन दैट प्रोड्यूस कार्यांतरम। टीका सी 5th लाइन। कर्मणो विद्या संयुक्तस्य कार्यांतरारंभकत्व लक्षणो अर्थः शब्देनैव गम्यते। Siddhanti says, if you have this question whether karma which is vidya samyuktam karma karyantar arambakam nava, what is the pramana in this?
ब्राह्मण्यं क्रियते तनुः।
Okay, Brahmayam Kriyate Shruti. In this line which I read, what is the pramana? Shabdenaiva gamyate. Shabda is the pramana. Means Shastra is the pramana. You cannot say that just as Dadhi with Sharkara or Visha with Mantra, they have Karyantara Arambhakatvam. Like that, Karma with Vidya will be Karyantara Arambhaka. Because for Vishadadhyadi, you have Pratyaksha Pramana. But for Karma, if it is Vidya Sanyuktam or not, whatever phalam it will give, Karyam or Karyantaram, in that only Shabda is Pramana. So you cannot say because here it happens in Pratyaksha, therefore there it will happen. There you need Shabda Pramana only. Shabdena eva gamyate. That was the last line we saw. Nacha tatra manantaram asti. And in this case, there is no other pramanam. Pratyakshadi pramana. So you cannot give some drashtanta from Laukika Vyavahara and you say, so is case of any karma or upasana. You need a Ved Vakya which will say, karma will give utpadyam apyam samskaryam vikaryam anitya phalam, but karma with vidya can give different phalam. There is no such pramana. Nacha samuchitasya karmano moksharambhakatva pratipadakam vakyam upalabhyate. Samuchitasya karmana, karma with vidya samuchaya, moksharambhakatva pratipadakam vakyam na upalabhyate. There is no such vakyam. Tad abhave karmani vidya yukte api. So in the absence of that, karma, even if it is vidya yukte api, विशदध्यादि साधर्म्यम कल्पयितुम न शक्यम. विद्यायुक्ते कर्मणि विशदध्यादि साधर्म्यम न कल्पयितुम शक्यम. You cannot say that this is equivalent to karma with vidya is equivalent to visha with mantra, dadi with sharkara. That drishtanta is not correct. Ityaha यस्त्वत्यंत शब्दगम्यो अर्थस तत्र वाक्यस्य अभावे तदर्थ प्रतिपादकस्य न शक्यं कल्पयितुं विशदध्यादि साधर्म्यम् अत्यंत शब्दगम्यो अर्थः यह तु अत्यंत शब्दगम्यो अर्थः that which is अत्यंत शब्दगम्य means only शब्देन गम्य न अन्यथा 5 नंबर टिप्पणी मानांतर अगम्यत्वम अन्यत् अत्यंतत्वम अत्यंत मीन्स मानांतर अगम्य अर्थः तत्र वाक्यस्य अभावे तद अर्थ प्रतिपादकस्य न शक्यं कल्पयितुं so there is no such artha pratipadaka vakya in Veda, therefore you cannot have its साधर्म्यम with विशदध्यादि साधर्म्यम न शक्यम कल्पयितुम् टीका कर्म साध्यत्वे च मोक्षस्य अनित्यता स्यात् इति भाव if it is कर्म साध्य it will be anitya. Now there is a prasiddha vakya in Veda which all the time Purva Pakshi will quote this vakya apam ane apama somam amrita abhuma सोमम अपाम अमृता अभूम इत्यादि श्रुतेर मोक्षस्य कर्म साध्यस्यापि नित्यत्वम इति चेत नित्या ड्रिंकिंग सोमम सोमम अपाम अमृता अभूम we became immortal because this shruti is there ityadi shrute it says it is the somarasa is a phalam of some karma. It is karma sadhya and karma sadhyasyapi mokshasya because amrita abhuma, so that amritatvam is nityatvam. Like this, there is other shruti also in Veda. They will say that karma phalam is nityam. So when they say karma phalam is nityam, see Bhashyaka. न च प्रमाणांतर विरुद्धार्थ विषये श्रुतेः प्रामाण्यं कल्पयते यथा शीतो अग्निः क्लेदयति इति. If it is a pramanantar viruddha vakya, even if it is shruti vakya, it is apramanam. Means you have to use yukti. In shruti, if there is something which is virodhi, then shruti is not pramana there, yukti will become pramana. This is the drishtanta. प्रमाणांतर विरुद्धार्थ विषये श्रुतेः प्रामाण्यम न कल्प्यते. Shruti is not pramana there. Like if Shruti says karma phala is in the form of nitya moksha, and that is invalid because karma phala cannot be nitya and karma phala cannot be moksha. Yukti viruddha. Or you say there are other prabala shrutis in comparison to which this will become. But every time you may not have such shruti. Like here the drishtanta is Shito Agni. This is pramanantar viruddha. Kledayati. Cold fire is making things wet. So this is incorrect statement. So see the tika now. This is the yukti now. Yat kritakam tadanityam iti anumana anagrihitam tad yathe iha ityadi vakyam tad virodena arthavada shrutehe swarte apramanyam ityartha. In one vakya, three things are said. First, he gives anumanam. Yat kritakam tadanityam. So if it is karma phala, it is kritakam. Therefore, it is anityam. Number one. This is the anumana. Number two. Tad yatha iha karma chito loka kshiyate evam eva mutra.
पुण्यचितो लोकः क्षीयते.
16 number tippani. Tad yatheha karma chito loka kshiyate evam eva mutra punya chito loka kshiyate. Iti vakyam. This is Chandogya Ashtama Adhyaya. थर्ड नाउ, तद विरोधेन अर्थवाद श्रुते स्वार्थे अप्रामाण्य. तद विरोधेन अर्थवाद श्रुति, and if there is any arthavad shruti, it will not have swarthe pramanya, means it is not pramana by itself. Like aditya yupaha, it is arthavada vakya, yupa is not aditya, so it is apramana vakya. प्रमाणांतर विरुद्धे अर्थे प्रामाण्यम श्रुतेर न उच्यते चेत अद्वैत श्रुतेरपि कथम प्रत्यक्षादि विरुद्धे स्वार्थे प्रामाण्यम इति आशंक्याः. Now this is another objection that they generally have, and in Advaita Siddhi this is discussed so many times. Different shrutis they will bring. Pramanantar viruddhe arthe. You are saying Advaita Shruti, neha nanasti kinchana, athata adesho, neti neti. Such Shruti Vakyas you give, and then you say Advaitam is Pramanam, Advaitam is Satya. But it has Virodha with Pratyaksha. If you say Pramanantar Virodha, Shruti Vakya, if it has Pramanantar Virodha with Pratyaksha, you say Pratyaksha should be taken because that Shruti Vakya is incorrect, apramanya. Shruti Vakya says Neha Nanasti Kinchana, but Nana is there. Pratyaksha says Nana, so then that Vakya will become apramanam. So Pramanantar Viruddhe Arthe Pramanyam Shruter na Uchyate Chet Shrutehe Pramanyam na Uchyate. So Advaita Shrutehe api Katham Pratyakshadi Viruddhe Swarthe Pramanyam. Advaita Shruti which is Pratyakshadi Viruddha, how it will have Pramanyam? And this is majority of sadhakas problem. Even if they study Advaita, they are not convinced that when Shastra says there is no Nana, there are no many. And I go on seeing Dvaitam, Dvaitam, and you say Advaitam, Advaitam. I feel Pratyaksha Pramana will do Bada of Shruti Pramana. I don't think it is going to work. And some people justify in this way also. Class is for 35, 40, 45 minutes. The rest of the time I see 23 hours Dvaitam and 1 hour Advaitam. So what will happen? What a wonderful yukti there. This is not how you do Shastra. Huh? So Pratyakshadi Viruddhe Swarthe Pramanyam Kadham iti आशंक्याः. श्रुते तु तादर्थ्ये वाक्यस्य प्रमाणान्तरस्य आभासत्वम्. तादर्थ्ये श्रुते वाक्यस्य प्रमाणान्तरस्य आभासत्वम्. Then in that case, if that is the artha of the Shruta Vakya, then Pramanantar will be Abhasa. So Dvaita is Abhasa, Nana is Abhasa. Tattvamasyadi Vakyasya. Now, what about Advaita Vakya? How do you say that is Pramanyam? Tattvamasyadi Vakyasya Shadvida Tatparya Lingaihi Sad Advaita Paratve Nirdharite Sad Bheda Vishayasya Pratyakshadehe Abhasatvam Bhavati Ityarthaha. Tattvamasyadi Vakyasya, that how do you say I am Brahma is the Tatparya of the Veda. So we say there is Shadvida Linga, Shadvida Tatparya Linga. What is the shloka for Shadvida Tatparya Linga?
उपक्रमोपसंहारौ अभ्यासो पूर्वता फलम् अर्थवादोपपत्ते च लिङ्गं तात्पर्यनिर्णये.
उपक्रमोपसंहारा अभ्यासो पूर्वता फलम अर्थवादोपपत्ति. So these six are there. Linga, Lingahi Sad Advaita Paratve Nirdharite. This Linga by them Tattvamasiadi Vakya is Sad Advaita Paraka. When this Nirdharanam is done, then Sad Bhedas, Bheda Vishaya, anything which is different from Sat. So Ghata, Pata, Himalaya, Surya, Chandra, anything that you see, Devatas, and Aham also, anything different from Sat, all of that is Pratyakshadehe Abhasatvam Bhavati ityartha. It is all Abhasamatra. Tadeva Drishtantena Sadhayati. So he explains this through Drishtanta. Yatha Khadyoto Agnihi iti Talamalinam Antariksham iti va बालानां यत् प्रत्यक्षम अपि तद विषय प्रमाणांतरस्य यथार्थत्वे निश्चिता निश्चितार्थम अपि बाल प्रत्यक्षम आभासी भवति. यथा खद्योतो अग्नि, खद्योत is agni, so bala they will say, oh, I saw fire flying. That's why they call it firefly, fire flying. खद्योतो अग्नि. और तलमलिनम अंतरिक्षम, the antariksha has mala, so beautiful colors is there. Or it has the tala, means like a canopy, a curve. Talamalinam antariksham iti va balanam yat pratyaksham api. So it is pratyaksha. Even if it is pratyaksham, tad vishaya pramanantarasya yatharthatve. In that case, tad vishaya pramanantarasya, tad vishayasya pramanantarasya, in that vishaya there is pramanantar which is yathartha. Yatharthatve nishchita, when that nishya is done, bala pratyaksham nishchitartham api abhasi bhavati. That bala pratyaksham, even if it is nishchitartham, it is abhas only. So what is yathartha and what is ayathartha? Which pramana is prabala, which is durbala? In that yukti alone you will have to use. And in particular, like Mandukya, Karikas, etc., they elaborate on this part. That just because something is said in Shruti, so all Shrutis talk about creation. That does not mean there is creation. But you have to remember, these kind of statements are, there is no Srishti. It is for that person who doesn't have any interest in Srishti. For that person, these statements will become valid and important. Those people who are interested in Srishti, then they will have Srishti Vishayaka Vakya only they will understand as Praman. Tika. Yad avivekinam yathoktam pratyaksham tat यद्यपि प्रथम भावित्वेन प्रबलम निश्चितार्थम च तथापि तस्मिन्नेव आकाशादौ. Let us see this much first. अविवेकिनाम, बालानाम अविवेकिनाम यथोक्तम प्रत्यक्षम. What is pratyaksha? Like खद्योत और आकाश. यद्यपि प्रथम भावित्वेन प्रबलम, because प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण is प्रथम भावी. प्रथम भावी प्रथम प्रवृत्ततया असंजात विरोधित्वेन. असंजात विरोधी means
Any other pramana cannot come before it.
not cannot come, was
It
not
is
there.
not.
When pratyaksha praman comes, because every child starts learning everything through pratyaksha only. So pratyaksha is asanjata virodhi. And yesterday I explained in Vedanta Paribhasha that for any other pramanam to work, first you need pratyaksham. You have to hear something, then you will have to do anumanam, or you have to see something, etc. So pratyaksha is
Upajivya.
upajivya pramana. So here, even if it is prathama bhavitvena prabalam nishchitartham va, either prabalam or nishchitartham va, अच्छा निश्चितार्थम च प्रबलम एंड निश्चितार्थम तथापि तस्मिन्नेव आकाशादौ विषये प्रवृत्तस्य आप्तवाक्यादेर्मानान्तरस्य यथार्थत्वे सति तद विरुद्धम पूर्वोक्तम अविवेकी प्रत्यक्षम अपि आभासी भवति तथापि तस्मिन्नेव आकाशादौ इन द सेम आकाशादौ विषये प्रवृत्तस्य आप्तवाक्यादेः इन दैट आकाश विषय if there is aptavakya which is manantara compared to pratyaksha manantarasya yatharthatve sati when that manantara is yathartha tad viruddham purvoktam pratyaksham aviveki pratyaksham that earlier what I had understood as aviveki pratyaksham अविवेकी प्रत्यक्षम अपि आभासी भवति इट इज ओनली आभास मात्र तथा इदम द्वैत विषयम प्रत्यक्षादि अद्वैत आगम विरोधे भवति आभास इत्यर्थ इन द सेम वे तथा इदम द्वैत विषयम प्रत्यक्षादि अद्वैत आगम विरोधे भवति आभास सो दिस द्वैत विषयम Pratyakshadi Advaita Agama Virodhe. Anyone who says Dvaitam is Satyam, which has Pratyaksha Pramana, and Advaita is Agama Pramana. So Dvaita Pratyaksha, if it is Advaita Agama Virodhi, then in that Dvaita Pratyaksham Abhasi Bhavati. That is Bhavati Abhasa ityartha. Nanu tatparyam nama, so this point should be thoroughly understood, that Advaita has tatparya, Dvaita pratipadaka pramana will be abhas. Nanu tatparyam nama purushasya manodharmas, tadvashat ched Advaita shruter yatharthatvam, tarhi pratipurusham anyathaiva tatparya darshanat, तद्वशाद अन्यथैव श्रुत्यर्थः स्याद् इत्याशंक्य दार्ष्टान्तिकं निगमयन् उत्तरम् आह. Now somebody is asking what is tatparyam. Is tatparyam is purushasya manodharma. You have understood this as a tatparyam. This is manodharma of yours. Purushasya manodharma. Tadvashad chet Advaita Shrutehe, and because of which if there is Yatharthatvam of Advaita Shruti, Tarhi Pratipurusham Anyathaiva Tatparya Darshanat. Then Pratipurusham there is Anyatha Tatparya. Somebody understands Tatparya, Chaitra's Tatparya is different, Maitra. Everybody understands Shastra Tatparya differently. Anyathaiva Tatparya Darshanat. Tadvashad anyathaiva shrutyartha syat. Anyatha means everyone has their own shrutyartha. Iti ashankya darshtantikam nigamayan uttaram aha. Darshtantikam nigamayan. Darshtantikam means Advaita. Is nigamanam he is doing. Tasmat वेद प्रामाण्यस्य अव्यभिचारात् तादर्थ्ये सति वाक्यस्य तथात्वं स्यात् न तु पुरुषम अति कौशलम. वेद प्रामाण्यस्य अव्यभिचारात्, वेद प्रामाण्य इज अव्यभिचार, सो तादर्थ्ये सति वाक्यस्य तथात्वं स्यात्. 1 नंबर टिप्पणी निर्धारित तात्पर्यक वाक्य विरुद्धस्य आभासत्वात्. When is Veda Pramanam? When there is Nirdharita Tatparyaka Vakya, and Tad Viruddha will be Abhasa. So because this is the case, therefore Veda Pramanyasya Avyabhichara. Then that Vakya will not have any Vyabhichara. So Vakya also will be Avyabhichari. Vakyasya Tathatvam Pramanyam Syat. Natu Purushamati Kaushalam. Not that how intelligently I think, therefore it is correct. It does not depend upon a person. So in the modern thinking, people have this as their emphasis, that how much can you think? And you come out with one meaning, and I will think more and I will come out with some other meaning. No, you have to go by what is said in the Veda. Veda is Praman. Natu Purushamati Kaushalam. Tika. तादर्थ्यम अर्थपरत्वम तथात्वम याथार्थ्यम शब्द धर्म तात्पर्यम तच्च षड्विध लिंग गम्यम तथा च शब्दस्य पुरुषाभिप्रायवशान् न अन्यथार्थत्वम इत्यर्थः. तादर्थ्यम अर्थपरत्वम. तादर्थ्यम is अर्थपरत्वम. तद अर्थता means that is the paro artha. तद अर्थ परत्वम तथात्वम याथार्थ्यम शब्द धर्म तात्पर्यम तच्च षड्विध लिंग गम्यम. It is not Purushamati Kaushalam. It is where you have to see Upakrama is there, Upasamhara is there, Abhyasa is required, etc. तथा च शब्दस्य पुरुषाभिप्रायवशात् न अन्यथार्थत्वम इत्यर्थः. शब्द पुरुष अभिप्रायवशात् न अन्यथार्थत्वम. Shabda will not have anyatharthatvam only because of some Purusha Abhipraya. So, Veda says something, this is with the Tatparya. Individual feels, no, this is like this, that is. That's why you should remember, when we come to Vedanta, Purusha by itself is not Pramana. Veda is Pramana. Atindriya Vishaye, Vedaha Pramana. Veda is Pramana, not Purusha. Anybody who says something, if it is contradictory to Veda, then that person has to be rejected. So this, I think, takes time in understanding, and that's why where the Shastra is Pradhana. Shastra means Shastra is there and somebody who knows how to interpret that Shastra and is part of the Parampara, and that is Pramana. Many times people ask such things, that we want to know what is your experience. What is your experience? So if my experience is different from Shastra, then that experience has no meaning. It is useless. And if it is one with Shastra, then what Shastra is saying is my experience. Then the next question will be, but have you experienced that? So yes, if somebody has experience, then the other person will have Shraddha, that what Shastra is saying, I can also attain it. I can also get it. Because that person is either lacking Shraddha in Shastra or that person is lacking Shraddha in oneself. Shastra may be saying, but I don't think I am capable. I need to find someone who can approve that, yes, this is possible. Oh, you know what Swami Vivekananda used to go everywhere asking only this question. have you experienced, or some such, whatever he was asking. But the idea was this: he wanted to have pramana for this. When he went to Thakur and he said, yes, I know, I can see the truth more clearly than I can see you. Why? Because you have agama payitva. Brahma is aparoksha. There is no agama payitva. So it takes time for people to understand and build this faith. उक्तमर्थम दृष्टांतेन स्पष्टयति न हि पुरुषमति कौशलात् सविता रूपम न प्रकाशयति. If somebody says, I will prove through my sharp intellect what that savita rupam na prakashayati. You may have wonderful intellect, but this purushamati doesn't work here. विचारार्थम तथा वेदवाक्यानि अपि न अन्यार्थानि भवन्ति. In the same way, Vedavakya also cannot be अन्यार्थ. Vicharaartham upasamharati. So now he is concluding this discussion. Tasman na moksharthani karmani. How did we start? Purvapakshi said, Nitya karma is for moksha. So Siddhanti said, no. Nigamanam is also same. Na moksharthani karmani iti siddham. And vidyasanyuktam, vidyasanyuktasyapi karmano moksharambhakatva asambhavaha tachabdartha. Tasmat means because vidyasanyukta karma also cannot have moksharambhakatvam. Therefore, any karma cannot have moksha as its phala. Ma bhut karmanam moksharthatvam kin tavat iti ashankya. Okay, somebody is now tired because he got defeated. Ma bhut karmanam moksharthatvam. Karma doesn't have moksharthatvam. So what? Kin tavat iti ashankya. Brahmana arambham nigamayati. So this entire Brahmana arambha, so many pages that we discussed, is nigamanam is ataha karma phalanam samsaratva pradarshanaya eva brahmanam arabhyate. This entire Tritiya Brahmana is to show only this. Karma phala means samsara. So I already knew this, that karma phala is samsara, but you did not know in this detail with every aspect. Okay. Atha hainam bhujyur lahya yanihi papracha yagnyavalkyeti hovacha madreshu charakaha paryavrajama te patanchalasya kapyayasya grihanema tasya asid duhita gandharva grihita tamapruchama kositi so bravid sudhanvangirasa iti tang yada lokanamanta antana pruchama atha enam abruma क्व पारीक्षिता अभवन इति क्व पारीक्षिता अभवन सत्वा पृच्छामि याज्ञवल्क्य क्व पारीक्षिता अभवन इति. अथ हैनम भुज्युः लाह्यायनिः. अथ मीन्स अनंतरम. Ujju lahyayani papracha. He is asking. Yagnevalkyeti hovacha. Uvacha ka? Ujju lahyayani. Ujju is asking Yagnevalkya. Now he is telling some episode. Something happened. What? Madreshu charakaha paryavrajama. In Madra Desha, we were doing paryatan during some vrata. Charakaha. Te patanchalas. Madra Desha means Madras. Like yesterday you saw Banga. means Bengal. You will see all these names. Vidarbha means which one? Which nation? No, now there is no state called Vidarbha. Which state now? Maharashtra. So like that, you will know these names were already used in, now you see Upanishad also is using them. Like Madri was from Madhya Desha, Pandu's Patni. So Kunti ji was from north and Madri's Vivaha from south. Like that he had done. Patanchalasya Kapyasya Grihan Ema. So we went to his house. Patanchala, who is a Kapya, Kapigotra. Tasya Asid Duhita Gandharva Grihita. His daughter was captured by a Gandharva. Captured means possessed. Yes. That Gandharva had possessed her body. He was in that body as a woman's body, but actually he was a different person. So Tam Aprachama, we asked him, who are you? They do some things and they get that spirit to talk. Tam Aprachama, Ko Asiti, who are you? So Abravit, he said, I am Sudhanva, Angirasa. I am a Gandharva. Iti. Tang yada lokanam antan aprachama. So then we asked him about the end of the world. So where the Parikshitas stay. We asked him. Atha enam abruma ko Parikshita abhavan iti. So then he said, where the Parikshitas stayed. So we asked where the Parikshitas stayed. Abruma ko Parikshita abhavan iti. Up to this Bhujyu is saying, we asked him. Ko Parikshita abhavan. He answered, ko Parikshita abhavan. Sa tva prachami Yajnavalkya. Now I am asking you, ko Parikshita abhavan. You tell. So now what is he saying? I know the answer from Gandharva. It is not a Laukika Vijnana. How will you know this? We knew it only through a special grace. So you don't know. So you will have to let go of the cows. This is the intention. But he doesn't know Yajnavalkya. Tika. Brahmanarambham evam pratipadya tadakshirani vyakaroti atha. So now having started the Brahmana, this Bhujyu Brahmana, Aksharani Vyakaroti. Atha Anantaram Uparate Jaratkarave Bhujyuriti Namato Lahyasya Apatyam Lahya Tadapatyam Lahyayanihi Papracha Yajnavalkyati Hovacha. Uparati, who had the Uparati earlier? Jaratkaru. Jaratkarave Uparate. Now Bhujyu has come. Who is Bhujyu? Lahyasya apatyam lahya tadapatyam. So he is the grandson of Lahya. Not Lahya. Lahya. Papracha Yajnavalkyati Hovacha. Tika. Yajnavalkyam abhimukhikritya Bhujyuhu swasya purva nirvrittam katham akathayat. Now having brought the attention of Yajnavalkya, this Bhujyu is swasya purva nirvrittam katham. What happened earlier, that katha he is saying. Tam avatarayitum ashwamedha swarupam tat phalam cha vibhajya darshayati. So now to explain that katha connection, Ashyakara is bringing Ashwamedha Swarupam and Ashwamedha Phalam. Vibhajya, they are different in different ways. How? Darshayati. Adau Uktam Ashwamedha Darshanam Samashti Vyashti Phalascha Ashwamedha Kratuhu. This Ashwamedha Yajna is Samashti Vyashti Phala. Kratuhu Ukta iti Purvena Sambandha. Kratuhu Uktaha. This is how it was said earlier. ज्ञान समुच्चितो वा केवल ज्ञान संपादितो वा सर्व कर्मणाम पराकाष्ठा. ज्ञान समुच्चित कर्म और केवल ज्ञान संपादित. You remember both were said because those who don't have wealth etc. they cannot do Ashwamedha. Those who do not have Kshatriya dharma they cannot do. So they say you can do Upasana, you will get same phalam. Sarva karmanam parakashtha is this Ashwamedha Kratuhu. So this is the highest of the karma prapti. And the worst is given later. Sitika Ashwamedhasya dvidha vibhaktasya sarva karma utkarsham udgirati. Ashwamedha dvidha vibhakta. Dvidha means because Vyashti Samashti Rupena. Vyashti Samashti means the same thing, you are an individual also as Hiranyagarbha, that Jiva. But at the same time, you identify with Samashti. So it is Samashti Vyashti Rupa. And tasya punya shreshtatve manam aha bhruna hatya ashwamedhabhyam na param punya papayoho iti is smaranti. So highest is Ashwamedha, worst is bhruna hatya. Samashti Vyashti Phalasya iti uktam spashtayati. Samashti Vyashti he is going to explain. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.